I made my own virtual wall with just a rug. I cut the rug here. This is before it was sewn. What I did was I flipped this over like this and sew it. Sew it like this. So the end product becomes like this. See? I sew it and it has a good edge right here to create some height. Let's start with the iLife A6. See? It works. Now let's do the iLife A8. See? It works. Now let's do the iRobot Braava. See? It works. Before I sew it, it looks like this. After I sew it, it looks like this. So all the way down like this. See? The carpet is sewn just like that. So I place the carpet down and I try to put it so that it's closer to the edge of my carpet. Show you the Braava, how this creates a virtual wall. Voila, see? There, see? Works really well. This part is sewn right here. This part is the original unsewn. Fold once, fold second time, turn on the faucet, add a little bit of water here, turn it over and add a little bit of water, turn off, squeeze a little bit so it's wet in the middle, put it right in the middle. Do not get the Velcro here wet, otherwise the glue will come off. There. Here is my Braava in action, and it hit the leg of the chair, turns, makes a U-turn. Notice how quiet it is. Very quiet, robot. Very quiet.
Là, il est en mode mop. On va essayer que c'est humide. Puis il se souvient de la run qu'il a faite. Fait que là, il se souvient de mon mur, tout ça. Fait qu'il s'est fait un chemin optimal pour y aller en diagonale comme ça. Genre, il va faire ça comme ça. Il va revenir, il va faire le tour de même. Ici, il va pas parce qu'il y a un rebord. Il sait que c'est une autre pièce. Fait que dans le fond, il fait salon. Puis il va jusqu'au fond, en fait. Il va jusqu'ici, là. Il va jusqu'au rebord, là. Parce qu'il sait que c'est un rebord, en fait. Puis là, il revient. Il repart, puis il fait tout le salon, puis la pièce ici.
Dry sweep mode. And this is the iRobot Braava 380t model. Pretty cool. And it's fast. This is the, of course I already said that, dry sweep mode. this is the North Star navigation cube. Okay. Yep, I realize it because I swept the rest of that already. And I already swept this floor today with the Bub Sweep Pet Plus, which is sitting over there. Yeah, so I already swept the floor with that. Okay, this one's busy trying to figure out what it's doing. Yeah, you need to be going back. Because I need you to do the kitchen. Yeah. Keep going, keep going. Okay, so it did do some parts to the right of where it started, and I believe now it's trying to do to the left of it. And I'll see if it figures out the rest of the room. Okay. I guess you'll do the, okay, it's going to continue. And since it does the edges separately, I guess it'll do the edge later. Oh, it's doing that edge now. Okay. Pretty smart. Okay. It's continuing to do places to the right of where it started. Pretty smart. Okay. Guess I'll turn it up for now. I guess 4 minutes of review is enough. But yeah, I think it's great so far. Bye for now.